Hi everyone and welcome. Today we will be discussing about how to customize Shopify thank you page. Now before we start, make sure you click the link below to get the best Shopify free trial and start your business with some exclusive bonuses. So first of all, head over to your online store section and then you can see we have pages option in here. If you cannot see your thank you page already in the list, you can add it using the add page option. And once you have that onto your store, let's just go back so you can see we have multiple pages already, and in the themes section you should be able to see this customize, and from here you can easily customize your thank you page. Set it to desktop view and you have various pages on top. If you want to add another related to thank you, you can see we should have different pages option on top as well. We have default page. You can create a template and add it as a thank you page and click on create template. Then you can customize it according to your liking. So yeah, that's how you can easily customize your thank you page. And hope this video was helpful. Finally, make sure to click the link in the description below to take advantage of our exclusive Shopify free trial to start your business right away.